Today on Thunderbird 4-wheel drive, we're back on the 4Runner. We found out the timing belt was bad, like really, really, really bad. So here's some pictures to check that out. So here's what's going on under the hood. We've got the timing belt out, we got the water pump off. We're gonna do both cam seals, we're gonna do a crank seal, and Keith is here today just working on cleaning stuff up. We need a special tool to get this cam gear off. The other one I was able to pop off with an impact. This one is refusing to let go. So that tool's been ordered. When it shows up, we'll continue with that portion of the job. But today is just a whole lot of really boring cleanup. Yeah, time to make things pretty. So you got to see what the belt looked like and how bad that was, and all the chunks of belt that had gathered in behind the timing cover. The other part that we found was these pictures right here. So we set the timing down at the bottom on top dead center. We got it on 0. And then when we looked up at the top to see where the timing marks on the cams were, they were both like way out. The passenger head cam was retarded by at least one tooth, and it looks like the driver's head cam is advanced by as many as 3 teeth. Now, the messed up part is in order for that to be advanced, it runs at half the speed of the crank. That means it had to skip almost 2 full 360 revolutions before it stopped at 3 teeth advanced. That's pretty messed up. So when we heard this before and it was running just like hardly at all, it wouldn't idle, it would sputter, you couldn't get anything out of it. That's why. So the Toyota 3-liter is a non-interference engine, which means that Keith didn't have to buy a new set of heads because it ate the valves in the pistons. So interference means that if the valve is open and the piston can come up, it'll hit them. So they designed this engine to not be that way. So he got super lucky. We're going to throw this timing belt back in it, and then life should be good again. So here's Keith. He's making clean parts in my tiny little solvent tank. Say hi, Keith.
Hi.
So we're back over here on the engine. We got the bottom crank gear off for the timing chain, and we're going to replace the crank seal as well because there was belt material that was caught between the crank sprocket and the seal. So that's no good at all. Got it good and cleaned up there, and like I said, we're waiting on the tool to get this off, and once we get that off, then we'll be able to get these shields off. We can replace this, we can replace the seals, the cam seals, and start getting stuff put back together on it. So all right, I want to thank everybody for watching today. I know that this was a real short video. We really appreciate you patronizing the channel and watching our lame videos that are very, very lame. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and we will catch you in the next 4Runner video, or the next whatever video, who knows. Just a real quick thing, I did buy some expensive things from American Adventure Lab for the 392. So cool stuff is on its way for that, and so new video coming out for that. Well, when parts get here, they were back ordered. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Check out these videos here, and we will catch you in the next video.